Hello, everyone. Today we're going to go over how to add a virtual appliance to your Scale HC3 environment and have it interact with the Acronis Cyber Protect 15. This is an easy two-step process, and we'll be going over both of those steps in this video. The first step is to actually add the virtual appliance to the Scale cluster. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on Devices and Add in the upper right corner. Scroll through this list until you see Scale Computing HC3 and click on it. This is where we're going to add the information to deploy the virtual appliance to the Scale cluster. Let me go ahead and get this information added. Now that I got that information added, we'll go over what each section does. The first section is just asking for the Scale computing information and the administrative user that can deploy the appliance. The second is where the temporary files for the virtual appliance will be stored as it's deployed. Once this information is filled out, you can then change how many virtual appliances you wish to deploy if you want to have multiple virtual appliances that can handle the tasks of backing up or restoration or anything of that sort. For this case, we're going to go ahead and put one virtual appliance. Click on deploy and it will bring you to a progress screen, and once everything's successful, the appliance will be deployed. Now that the virtual appliance has been successfully deployed, we need to perform step 2, which is to go into the Scale environment and configure the virtual appliance. So click into your Scale environment and you'll see that there is an Acronis virtual appliance that has been added. We'll go ahead and power this on. And once it comes up, we're going to have to open up the console and go into the virtual appliance itself. The virtual appliance can take a little bit to load, and this is completely normal. Once the virtual appliance is loaded and the managed machine service has started, you'll be able to configure everything. Now that the virtual appliance has started and the managed machine services within the virtual appliance have started, we'll now be able to configure the virtual appliance. The first thing we're going to have to do is specify the credentials for Scale for the virtual appliance. It's the same credentials you used in the previous step. We'll go ahead and press check connection to make sure I didn't put anything in wrong. It says connection test was successful. Press OK, and you'll see that this is now updated to show the Scale computing cluster. Now we just need to tie it back to the Acronis management server. So just simply put the host name or the IP address and a user that has administrative rights to the management console. We'll press OK and it will register, and you'll see that everything's registered successfully. Go back to your Cyber Protect console and refresh the page. And now on the left-hand side, you will see Scale Computing HC3 along with all of the virtual machines within your Scale appliance. You can now configure backups and perform agentless backups to your Scale environment. Thank you for watching the video. If this video helped you or you want to watch any of our other videos, please feel free to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you very much for your time. You have a good day.